Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories coming from Margate, Florida. And today we have another great Bak Industries product. But before I get into that, that is my telephone number there. So if you have questions, feel free to call us. We have great answers to those good questions. That being said, come on over here. Now the product I'm going to show you, I'm going to put a link at the bottom of this YouTube page so you can click on it and you can order it right from our website. Now this is the Bak Industries F1 folding hardcover on a Ram 1500 here. Now if you notice here, the texture is a little different. Now basically these they handle a good impact. These are going to basically, the F1s are the fiberglass models here. And besides looking good, it is a flush mount that sits here nice and low here. Super clean looking. Let's go ahead and show you how everything works. Now, as you know, they're going to have a driver's side and a passenger side release mechanism. And that's really good if you have to pull off to the side of the road and you got the traffic on the driver's side. You might want to swing over to the other side where it's a little safer. Now, they're really easy to use. As you can see, they just pull down here. You do have a nice little seal here, and this is going to do a very good job of keeping the water out. Also, you look over here, it does have a drainage system. So if the water was to get past the factory seal here, instead of going in the bed, it's going to catch it. There's a couple tubes in the front, and it is designed to let the water out the back as well. Now, most of the time, the water is going to go through the front because your truck sits like this and not like that. So now, again, I'm pulling the lever here. Now you can drive like this. Basically, if you look over here, there's a little way to secure it here. Now you do need to secure it. I've seen people drive where they don't secure it. And you know, if you're going slow enough, it's not a problem. But if you get on the highway, the wind can catch this and close it for you. And I tell you, if you're driving, you hear that thing close, it'll make you jump. So always make sure you secure it. There's two spots to secure it. Again, use both. Now when not in use, you see there's a little clip here, holds it in place. Now, what they claim the fame on this cover, as well as a lot of the Bak Industries products, it has that third fold. Now, that third fold is really quite nice because now you get full access to the bed. So let's say you're going to bike week and put your Harley Davidson back there, or you got an ATV, or you're just moving furniture, and you need all the space. This is a great way to do it. Now, it does, if you look here, I'll show you the support system. Now, there's two of these. Now, for the video, I'm only going to do one. So basically, this is going to slide down here. You lock it in place there. You can drive on the highway with this up. Now, if you notice, the cover does not go protruding past the roof level, so you don't have any aerodynamic issues. Also, it does not cover the third brake. And that's really convenient, especially a lot of the third brakes also have the cameras in there. So a lot of people like these because it doesn't cover your camera or your third brake. Now, this does act as a protection for your rear window. They call it a headache rack. Now, a lot of commercial vehicles, you'll see they have a permanent thing here to protect the rear window. This is designed to, if you have something big in here, and let's say you're driving along, someone cuts you off, and all this stuff comes flying forward. Instead of hitting your rear window, it's going to hit this. Trust me, you'd rather hit this than your window. The window's not going to take much of an impact. This will. Also, if you have your family in the back seat, you don't want anything to happen to them. So again, this protects everyone in there. All in all, this is a great product here. Now, if you look over here, there's your drainage system. Now, if you notice, we did not put a new hole there. That's actually a factory hole. We try not to put any additional holes, so if there's holes from the factory, we're always going to use that. And that's up and out of the way, so that's a great setup. Now, when these are not in use, slide them up and lock them in place. This way you don't have to worry about losing these. Occasionally, these leave them loose and they come off, so we keep extras of these because people lose them all the time. But I always tell people leave them snugged up in the top and you don't have that problem. When you go to close it, you do not need to slam this. If you notice, I'm just closing it. You hear the nice little click noise, you know it's closing just fine. All in all, this is a very good product. Now this is gonna have, John, it was what, 5 years on this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, that's a great warranty. So all in all, this is a wonderful looking cover, but the most important thing, it's gonna do its job. You can put something in there, you go on a trip, you got all your luggage back there, you don't have to worry about someone taking your stuff because you're protected. Again, if you like this product, we can ship anywhere in the country or come here, let us install it for you. Again, this is a review of the Bak Industries F1 Ram 1500, and I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. And before I go, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with all the latest and greatest products. Thank you.